Battery dying way too fast. What if you could control exactly how your phone saves power? Every little detail. Imagine tuning your battery like a pro. Well, with One UI 7.0, now you can. Is your battery draining faster than you'd like? Most smartphones, including Samsung, come with a power saving mode. But usually you can just turn it on or off, not much else. Samsung is changing that with One UI 7.0. Power saving isn't new. Android and iPhones have had it for years. By default, it limits background activity, GPS, and lowers your screen refresh rate to 60 Hz to save juice. But here's the thing, you couldn't really customize any of it until now. With Samsung's One UI 7.0, you get much more control over how your phone saves power. You can turn on power saving from the quick settings or go to Settings, Battery, Power Saving. In previous versions like One UI 6.x, you could already tweak a few things. Turn off Always On Display, limit CPU speed to 70%, lower screen brightness by 10%, turn off 5G, limit background apps and home screen features. Each of these options comes with a simple toggle switch. Turn on what you want, leave off what you don't. But now with One UI 7.0, Samsung added 3 more powerful options. Change motion smoothness to standard. Turn on dark mode. Set screen timeout to 30 seconds. Before, the screen refresh rate would just drop automatically. Now, you get to decide. Dark mode and shorter screen timeout are also huge for saving battery. Want to save as much battery as possible? Turn on Limit Apps and Home Screen. It only allows essential apps, kills all background activity, disables edge panels, forces dark mode. Not into extreme saving? No worries, just toggle off the features you don't need. One tip though, when you disable high refresh rate, the CPU will auto-limit to 70%. So if you're serious about battery life, the new customizable power saving mode in One UI 7.0 is a total game changer. Try the settings that work best for you. Your battery will thank you. And before I go, some of you have said these features don't work or seem fake. Just remember, every phone and user is different. What helps one person might not work for another. Let's keep the comments helpful and respectful. That's it for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and sub if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.